In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wattpad account. If you want to start reading amazing stories, connect with other readers and writers, or even publish your own content online, then creating a Wattpad account is the perfect first step. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire sign-up process so you can get started quickly and easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is open, search for the Wattpad website and open the official page from the search results. After the website loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the Sign Up option. When you click on Sign Up, Wattpad will give you a few different ways to create your account. You can sign up instantly using your Google account or Facebook account if you prefer a faster method. These options can save time because some of your basic information is added automatically. If you would rather create your account manually, choose the option to sign up using your email address. After selecting that option, enter your email into the required field. Next, create a username that you would like other Wattpad users to see on your profile. Try choosing a username that is easy to remember and reflects your personality or interests. After that, enter your birthday to continue with the registration process. You may also see an optional section where you can select your pronouns if you would like to include them on your profile. Once you finish those details, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password is secure and easy for you to remember. You will then be asked to confirm your password and agree to Wattpad's terms and conditions by checking the required boxes. After everything is completed correctly, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Once your account is ready, Wattpad may ask you to choose some reading interests. This helps personalize your experience by recommending stories and genres based on what you enjoy reading. After selecting your interests, you can begin exploring popular stories, following authors, joining the reading community, and even writing and publishing your own stories directly on the platform. As you can see, creating a Wattpad account is a very simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once your profile is set up, you'll have access to a huge collection of stories and creative content from people around the world. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.